I'm a proud immigrant from Lebanon 30 plus years ago. I came here for the American dream and the rule of law. So our effort is basically focused on the public safety, keeping our community safe under the rule of law. The state has gone too far in overreaching on our local policing power, and we want to make sure we will join the amicus brief with the Department of Justice lawsuit against the state of California.
And are you confident the council is going to vote in favor of that?
I expect them to vote. Maybe one council members will oppose it, but I hope we'll get 3 to 4 votes tomorrow. And I'm very confident that our council has taken a leadership role for the last 12 years to make sure we address illegal criminals. We have coordinated with ICE for nearly 10 years now, and we have deported over 2,000 illegal criminals from our community, making Escondido safe. We have reduced crime by 33% since I was elected mayor in 2010 and made Escondido as safe as it was in 1980. Now, SB 54, the sanctuary law, will break that relationship between our police and ICE. And therefore, ICE agents will go into the communities doing sweeps and also deporting illegal immigrants with no criminal record. You know, sadly enough, the progressive and the liberal in Sacramento are disconnected from the cities and local government here, and they want to take our local policing power away. I think there is a strong support against SB 54, except Governor Brown. You know, they continue to harbor illegal criminals. Harboring and protecting illegal criminals and giving them more rights than our citizens is immoral, is illegal, and it's unconstitutional. So I'm very proud that my city and the city council is leading the way and joining the federal lawsuit against SB 54. There is an overwhelming majority opposing the sanctuary state now because it's hurting the community. Under SB 54, the illegal immigrants are affected more because there is no more coordination with ICE in targeting criminals only. It's a matter of trust between the law enforcement and our police department and the immigrant community. SB 54 has taken the immigration debate beyond the immigration issue. This is now a public safety, and catching and releasing criminals will affect all our citizens and the public safety in our community. That's why probably, you know, the 200 or 300 emails I received the last couple of weeks, 90% of them are opposed to the sanctuary city. And now there is more awareness about what the sanctuary city does to the immigrant community. I think more immigrant communities is now opposed SB 54. The state legislators have overreached on local government for several years. They have passed several laws limiting our freedom and our ability to govern locally here, and I think we need to change that. We need to fight that fight. We need to join the federal government in that lawsuit, and we need to continue to have more cities and counties joining the federal government in opposing the sanctuary state.
And just one of my final questions, Mr. Mayor, do you believe that by making this move, other cities in San Diego County are going to follow suit?
I hope so. I hope so. I think the feeling is very strong to oppose the sanctuary state. Whether, I don't know how many cities, I will expect that dozens of cities will join the lawsuit, but it takes a leadership position. It takes a leadership to make sure we make it and we join the lawsuit and stand up for the aggression and overreaching of the state. This is not good for local government. Local government should take care of our public safety and protect the residents of Escondido, and we're doing just that.
And have you received any kind of hit back from some of these illegal immigrant advocacy groups, you know, coming after you, anything like that?
Doesn't matter. They're going to be here. They're going to oppose us. Those are the indivisibles. Those are the people who are going to oppose us no matter what. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for us. My focus is to keeping our community safe.
And last question, it's a current event question, so you can tell me if you don't want to answer it or not, but it's about the migrants coming into the U.S. Have you heard about the caravan?
Well, this is a lawless nation right now, and that is because we don't have we don't have immigration reform. We need to do immigration reform. We need to protect our citizens. Otherwise, this nation will be receiving more and more, millions and millions and more immigrants. We have to do the right thing, do immigration reform, and do it the right way, like I did it 30 years ago.